Hi you guys. Okay, so this is Gentle Dancer here. I just wanted to say today was...
Did you hear that?
Carly, stop!
That was my stomach!
We're starting over. Hi you guys. Okay, so Gentle Dancer here. I'm just saying this short video. Will you stop?
Well, I'm sorry. You never say Gentle Dancer here.
Why not?
You just started saying it since Dylan started saying, hey, the movie maker.
Oh my god, get out of my house. Hi, okay, sorry. Carly was, hi Carly was, here, but she's gone now. Alright, so I just wanted to make this short video. I thought it'd be kind of fun to make this. It was, I'm pretty sure, my last day, because this upcoming year is going to be my senior year, my last day working at the firework stand, which I've been doing for 3-4 years now, and it's sad, you know, to know that it's coming to an end, but it was super fun, and I have a really great time with all the girls whenever we work, and I'm a huge fan of Teen Wolf, so we thought it'd be kind of fun to try to reenact it, but, you know, just, you'll see. Okay, here it is. Looks like the sun's going down. Is that a full moon? Allison! Stay away from me! No, Scott! Derek, let's go! Okay, let's go! Water.
Father like daughter.
Go! Watch out! Stay away! Stay away! I got Derek! Oh.
Why doesn't Styles get any of this action?
Yeah. that happens. So that was a little random, but it was really fun to put together, and we had a really good time making that, what was that, like 30-second video. Anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and also there are a couple extra clips that I thought you might want to see, so here you go. Okay, go.
Why can't Styles be part?
Really? You have like 4 lines. Stupid.
If Obama was in front of you right now, you wouldn't be.
No, I wouldn't. Oh, but I think I dribbled a little bit in there.